Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When it comes to the exhaust note of your truck, there are plenty of options out there for exhaust systems, but an exhaust system might not always be needed. Some of you out there might want to keep the stock look and save a few bucks and just update the sound. That is where replacement mufflers come in. With various options in finish, material, style, and even tone, a replacement muffler could be the answer for you to get a different sound out of your truck. Here I have a couple different options that are available. There are the chambered style mufflers and the fiberglass style mufflers. Each of these has their own signature sound. Also for reference, we have the factory mufflers off of a few different trucks. You can see with the difference in size, the sound you will get out of the aftermarket muffler is going to be significantly louder when compared to stock. A chambered muffler is going to be like this setup from Flowmaster. Offered in their various series options, these mufflers are going to simply redirect the flow with the different chambers. This style of muffler will have a raw sound to it, so if you're looking for something loud and aggressive, this is your style. The signature sound out of these mufflers comes from the length of the muffler, so if you're looking for something loud and aggressive, then you want to start looking at their Super 10 series. What you will find with Flowmaster is that the smaller the casing, the more aggressive the exhaust note will be. The fiberglass style mufflers like this Borla option I have here are typically going to be constructed out of stainless steel for a flawless looking finish. This style will have a clean muffled sound to it when compared to other mufflers. Borla does offer their crate muffler in 3 signature sound levels. Their Touring, which is going to be slightly more aggressive than stock, the S-Type, which is going to be right in the middle of the road with sound levels from Borla, and the Attack, that is going to be the most aggressive sound from Borla. Now with replacement mufflers, these are going to be the most affordable option to go with if you are looking to just update the sound of your truck. Price ranges for these mufflers will vary between $75 and right around $300. They will require some welding to have mounted in place of your factory muffler, but it should be a simple task for any local muffler shop to accomplish. You will also notice that the muffler options we have available, there are different offset options. The offset option will give your installer a bit of ease when it comes to the installation and prevent them from having to make any extra bends in your exhaust. I hope this information helps you when looking at muffler options on our site. If you would like any more information about the different muffler options, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.